kind of in your own terms, how would you define what is a solutions architect?
So we provide, as far as what I've done, we provide three main functions in the position of a solutions architect. One is business analysis, systems analysis, and then actual integrations in the platform. So.
And integrations in the platform meaning like actually developing the solution on the platform.
Actually building it.
Yeah. So to kind of break that down a little bit further, by business, what would you mean kind of by business analysis?
So we do a lot of that in the beginning of the project.
Yeah.
That's a lot of the planning and analysis and design of what we kind of go through with their requirements, how we can actually use our platform to solve those requirements, feasibility, timelines, breaking down the project.
Right.
A lot of the planning goes in that early stage.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
And then the systems is you actually then, after understanding kind of what the client or customer needs, it's actually turning that into something that the platform can understand.
Yeah, so that's also very conceptual. I use a lot of whiteboard diagrams or ERDs, entity relationship diagrams, and DFDs, data flow diagrams. They're basically flow charts of how the information flows or how the information is related. So based on their requirements from what we've gathered in the business analysis portion is me conceptualizing how I could build that in OptimumHQ, in their instance, in the platform.
All right. So to kind of try and translate this into as practical terms as possible, going through this process, I'd love to understand kind of like what problems you apply this process to. So what do you have the capacity to solve in terms of what a business needs? When they come to you, what do you have the ability to kind of...
So I'd like to say everything.
Yeah.
If we don't currently have the functionality, we could build it.
Right.
And then the engineering team will build it in Optimum, and then the solutions architects can use it to solve that business need.
That's interesting. So even just to touch on that for a hot second, there is a fundamentally different way to approach building software in the sense that when you build something once, it makes that functionality reusable to the solution architects.
Correct.
To then be able to build that type of solution for anybody moving forward on the platform.
Right.
Oh, that's really cool.
It's a lot of fun, actually.
Just kind of like, and what do we get this week to build? So, the overarching process is going business analysis, systems analysis, and then what did you call the third thing?
Integrations.
Integrations, which is like the actual building of the platform. And to your point, you can kind of build almost anything. And it's that there's a slight modifier in almost just because if it's not already in the platform, the engineering team kind of builds it onto the platform, which then empowers you with the ability to now build that out for anybody who needs it. And the purpose of this is really to understand what is the scope of what a solutions architect can do so that people can understand, okay, like if I empower someone, if I identify that someone can be a solutions architect, what is that new skill set I'm now bringing onto my team?
Right.
So would you be able to...
Could I answer that?
Yeah, please.
So as far as where solutions architects work, 99% of the time is within OptimumHQ, within the platforms within the platform, within the instances that we have for our clients.
Right.
So we're in Optimum and we're building.
Right.
If it's outside of Optimum, we coordinate with our engineering team. But if it's in Optimum, a solutions architect can make it happen. So.
And I guess what do you mean by that? Does it have to be in a modular format to be in Optimum, or does it have Optimum just need to have the capacity to build that type of solution?
Correct.
Yeah.
Or either. Yeah, both.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah.